As the Russia-Ukraine conflict intensifies, hidden stories of courage and loss continue to unfold. What does tomorrow hold? Stay with us as we reveal the truth shaping our world. In this video, Ukrainian drone operators, with nerves of steel and eyes fixed on their targets, spot Russian personnel and military equipment. They launch a daring attack, each drone precisely locked onto its mark. The target? A residence occupied by Russian forces. The tension-filled silence is broken by the hum of drones cutting through the air, delivering their deadly payloads. Explosion after explosion shakes the structure, leaving no escape. Thick smoke fills the sky as flames engulf the entire building. The precision and violence of the attack send a clear message. Ukraine's eyes are everywhere, and no threat will go unnoticed. In another scene, two Ukrainian soldiers attempt to enter a building in a ruined town. As one soldier throws a grenade from a window, the other watches his back. The explosion shatters the silence, sending dust and debris everywhere. Then, we witness four Russian soldiers cautiously emerging from the rubble of a destroyed city. Every step is tense as they scan the desolate surroundings, unaware that a Ukrainian drone hovers overhead like a silent predator. One by one, they fall first. A soldier on the rooftop. Then another, falsely believing the danger had passed. A third soldier, in a panicked attempt to flee, triggers a mine. And everything stops with a deadly explosion. The final soldier, like the others, finds no escape. Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles UAVs continue their precision strikes, this time targeting Russian trenches. Once a symbol of defense, these trenches have become deadly traps, vulnerable to modern technology. The battlefield has evolved. Drones now hover silently, transforming fortified positions into death zones. In this new era of warfare, traditional defenses are no longer secure. Every move is watched, every tactic vulnerable, as technology reshapes the future of combat.